Hi my dear students, today we are going to talk about the assessment of unit 2 from EKB اللي هو بنك المعرفة. Never forget EKB means بنك المعرفة. Okay, fill in the blanks below with the correct answer choice from each group. Jamal wrote 14 plus 6 between brackets plus 21 equal 14 plus 6 plus 21 between brackets. Using the, we know that if I use the brackets, it means associative property. Okay, associative property of addition. He wrote 33 plus 16 equals 16 plus 33. If we change the places, it means commutative property of addition. He wrote 28 plus 0 equal 28 using the additive identity property or neutral element property. Okay, fill in the blank below with the correct answer choice from each group. How can 528 plus 316 be rewritten? Explain how you know. Okay, the expression can be written as, we can write it as 316 plus 528, because the commutative property of addition states the numbers can be adding in any order without changing the sum. We know that commutative property means adding in any order without changing the sum. Okay, never forget how to choose from this. Okay, we choose this and write it beside the letter, and choose this and write it beside the letter, and choose this and write beside the letter. Okay, question 3. Students write the statement 87 minus 52 equal 52 minus 87. Why is this statement incorrect? We know that commutative property is not effective, or it's not applicable in subtraction. So the associative property applies to addition but not subtraction. Is it associative property? No. The commutative property applies to addition but not in subtraction, and this is the right answer. Which of these strategies would best help you to find 25 plus 78 using mental math? Select two correct answers. We know that we have many strategies in addition. We have compensation, we have breaking up and bridge, we have decomposing, we have... Okay, let's see. If we have front end estimation, rounding. Okay, so let's see. If I round 25 to 30 and 78 to 80, then add. Okay, here he needs the right answer or the correct answer. So the right answer never be with rounding or with estimation. So we can choose rounding. Assassin, we can't choose this. So let's ignoring letter A and letter B and use letter C. Use compensation by adding 25 to 75. Here he subtract 3 from 78 to be 75. If we subtract the number, we will add again. Okay, using compensation by adding 25 to 75 then subtracting 3? No. Using breakup and the bridge, breaking up 25 to be 2 and 5. Is it right? Breaking up? No, so it's wrong. Using a breakup and the bridge by breaking up 25 to be 20 and 5 and breaking 78 to be 70 and 8 and add 20 plus 70 and 5 plus 8. It's right. Okay. Fill in the blank below with the correct answer choice from each group. How can 160 minus 69 be found using the compensation strategy? Here, 160 minus 70. It will be 160 minus 70. So we add 1 to 69. Okay, in subtraction, if I add 1, I'll give it 1 again. Then add, yes, 1. To find that 160 minus 69 equal 91. Find the sum. Okay, let's add 9 plus 2 equal 11. 1 and carry up 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So the answer is 721. Muhab found that 29,828 plus 41,309 equals 71,137. Which estimate could he use to check if his answer is reasonable? Okay. He can use 30 plus 50. No, it's wrong. 20 plus 50. It's wrong. Okay. 30 plus 40. It's wrong. It will be 20 plus 40 equals 60,000. Number 8. It has a mistake in the choices, so don't look at it. Okay. Number 9. Shayma solves this problem. What is her next step? 2 minus 6 doesn't go, so we are going to borrow 1 from 5. It will be, or regrouping 5 to be 14 and subtract 8 from 14. Regroup the tens place and subtract 8 from 14 tens. Yes, this is the right one. Dalia solved the following problem. Okay, these two numbers subtracted to get this. Then she checked if her answer reasonable by estimating. She said that her answer is not reasonable because her estimation is, she estimates 6,219 to be 6,000, and she estimates 2,858 to be 2,000. So 6,000 minus 2,000 equal 4,000. What did Dalia do wrong? Okay, Dalia didn't do anything wrong. Dalia perfect in estimation and perfect in this subtraction. Number 11. A seamstress had a 21 meter bolt of cloth. She used some of the cloth to make a dress and had 15 meter left over. Let's see represent the amount of cloth. Which equation represents this problem? We know 21 is the whole and 15 is a part and C is a part. So we know that whole equal part plus part. If I want to get part, we will subtract whole minus part. So the right answer is, yes, 21 minus 15 minus C equal 15. Okay, a train leaves a station with 680 passengers. It picks up more passengers at the next station. The train then has 800 passengers on it. Let P represent the number of passengers. Which bar model represent this problem? We know that whole here is 800 and 680 is a part and P is a part. So which one is right? Okay, here letter D, because D has 800 as whole and 680 and P as part. Fill in the blank below with the correct answer choice. Restaurant buys 125 kilogram of rice. It uses 32 kilogram of rice on Monday and 46 kilograms of rice on Tuesday. Use bar model to figure out how much rice. Okay, so the total amount of rice 125. This is the whole, and this is the part, and this is the part, and we have also another part. So here whole, we will put, yes, we will subtract, we will add the two parts. 32 plus 46 equals 78, and subtract the whole from this. 125 minus 78 equal 47. So the whole is 125 and the missing part is 47. What is the value of x? X equal, yes, 481 minus 111 equal 370. An amusement park admitted 852 visitors in the morning. After some people left for lunch, the park had 629 visitors left. How many people left for lunch? Here, it will be 852 minus 629. The answer will be 223. A ship entered port with 600 tons of cargo. It picked up a 25 tons shipment of fresh fruit and a 149 ton shipment of electronics before it left. Okay, how much cargo did ship leave port with? Okay, let's see. We have 611 plus, yes, 25 fruits plus 149 electronics, so it will be 785 tons. The total here, he needs the total amount. 17. A water truck was filled with 4,000 liters of water. It delivered 1,250 liters to its first client. It delivered 620 liters to its second client. It delivered 2,120 liters to its last client. How much water was left in the truck? Okay, let's see the total amount of water which delivered to the client. Okay, number one, 1,250 plus 620 plus 2,120, it will be 3,990. Then subtract 3,990 from 4,000 liters, it will be 10 liters. Fill in the blanks below with the correct answers choice, with correct answer choice from each group. Nadia is hiking on a hilly trail. She climbs up 26 meters and stops to take some pictures. From there, she climbs up another 162 meters to reach the top of the hill. Then she began to walk back down the hill, but decides to stop and have lunch. She has 45 meters left to go to get the bottom of the hill. After she is done with lunch, how can you find out how many meters Nadia walked down the hill before she had lunch? Okay, let's read it again. Nadia climbing the hill. Okay, She climbed up she climbs up 26 meter. هي طلعت 26 meter. وبعدين she climbs another 162 meters. Okay, to reach top. وبعدين نزلت 45 meters. So it will be 26 plus 162 minus 45. Okay, to find that it will be 143. Number 19, a coffee pot held 1425 milliliters of coffee. Rana filled her mug with 730 milliliters of coffee from the pot. Then she poured 460 milliliters for her friend. How can you find out how much coffee was left in the pot? Select the two correct answers. Okay, she had 1425. Okay, and she takes 730, then she takes 460. So add 730 milliliter Rana poured in her mug to the 1425 total milliliter. No, subtract 730 from 1425. Then subtract 460 from the rest numbers. Okay, this is right. Add 460 to the 1425. It's wrong. Subtract 460. Yes, subtract 460 from 1425. Then subtract 730 again. Okay, so the right answers A, B, and D. Fill in the blanks below with the correct answer. Choice from each group. A library had 5,821 books in its collection. At the beginning of the week, throughout the week, people checked out 1,527 books and returned an unknown number of books. Okay, the library had 5,821. Then 1,527 is going out, and return unknown number. At the end of the week, there were 5,507 books in the library collection. Okay, first, letter A. Subtract 1,527 from 5,821. Then subtract the answer from 5,507 to know the return number of people. Then subtract from 1,527. Okay, part 2. Select the best answer. 4 plus 6 equals 6 plus 4 is true because commutative property of addition. Which of these statements is true regarding to the sum of 16 plus 0? Okay, 16 plus 0 equals 16 because any number add to 0 will equal that number. Or 16 plus 0 equals 0, it's wrong. 16 plus 0 equals 1 plus 6, it's wrong. 16 plus 0 equals 6 plus 1, it's wrong. So the right answer is letter A. Abir writes 12 minus 8 plus 1 equals 12 minus 8 plus 1. Is the statement true? No, because associative property doesn't apply in subtraction. Which of the strategies would best help you to find the answer of 17 plus 15 using mental math? Okay, we can use breakup and breaking 17 to 10 and 7 and 15 to 10 and 5, then add 10 plus 10 and 7 plus 5, it will be, so use breakup and bridge 17. This is not the right breakup. Use compensation by adding 20. Yes, we can reach 17 to be 20 plus 15, then subtract 3. So this is the right answer. Which strategy would best help you to find the value of 112 minus 69 mentally? Okay, we can make it 112 minus 70, then add 1. Use the compensation. Find the sum. 546 plus 215. 6 plus 5 equal 1 and carry up 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. So it will be 761. Fill in the blank below with the correct answer choice from each group. How can Rashad correctly use rounding to estimate the answer to 192 plus 266? Okay, 192 will be, yes, 190, and 266 will be 270. Okay, then add the rounded numbers to estimate that reasonable answer. 12 be 0 plus 0 0, 7 plus 9 16, and carry up 1 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 4, it will be 460. Find the difference. Okay, 13 minus 8 equal 5, 1 minus 1 equal 0, and 4 minus 1 equals 3, so it will be 305. Number 9, Fatma begins solving a subtraction problem. What is her next step? Okay, 4 minus 2, 2, and 2 minus 5 doesn't go, so we are going to regrouping. Yes, 2, it will be here. Add 2, no. Subtract 5 from 2 in tens, no. Regroup the tens place and subtract 5 from 12. This is the right answer. Which choice shows how you would correctly use rounding to estimate a reasonable answer to the problem 426 minus 148? Here we have 430 minus 150 equal to 180. This is the right one. Part 3. Ahmed bought several cookies. After he ate 4 of them, he had 12 left. Let C represent the number of cookies. Which equation represents how many cookies he bought? We know that. Yes, C minus 4 equals 12. C represents the number of whole cookies. So yes, whole minus part equal part. C minus 4 equal 12. A store started day with 24 jackets. The store had 10 jackets left at the end of the day. Let J represent the number of jackets sold. Okay, so we have whole 24 and 10 part, and J is part, so the A is the right model bar, our bar model. Yazid made 15 pieces of falafel. He ate 4 pieces, and his brother ate 3 pieces. Which bar model shows how many pieces are left? Okay, we have total here, or whole number. Whole is 15 and 4 and 3 and the difference. So what A is right. What is the value of x? 36 plus x equal 57. So x equal 57 minus 36 equal 21. The odometer on Imad's car reads 350 kilometers. After driving to his friend's house, it reads 372 kilometers. He wrote down the equation 350 plus x equal 372, where x stands for how far he drove. What is x? Okay, x is the distance. Okay, here x is the distance. So it will be 372 minus 350. It will be, yes, 22 kilometers. Rana is reading a book. She reads 96 pages the first week and 129 pages second week. She has 35 pages left to read. Okay, how many pages are in the book? Okay, let's see. Rana, she reads, the total she reads 96 plus 129 plus 35 equal 260. Okay. Sahar add 145 grams cornstarch to a bowl and then mixes in 225 grams of flour. She weighs the bowl with the ingredients in it and find that the weight 500 gram total. How much does the bowl weigh? So we have here 145 grams corn and 225 flour. So she weighs the bowl. We need to find the weight of the bowl. So let's add 145 plus 225, it will be 370. Then subtract the 370 from 500, it will be 130 grams. So the weight of bowl is 130 grams. Did you get it? She add 140 of corn and 225 of flour. So let's add 145 plus 225 to know the total of ingredients in her bowl. Then subtract it from the total weight. It will be 130 grams. Letter A, number 8. Samir plans to paint his house. He already has some paint for the project. He buys an additional 26 liters of paint before starting the project. After using 19 liters for the project, he has 11 liters left. How much paint did he have before he started the project? هو already كان عنده شوية painting خلاص. بعدين هو اشترى تاني 26 وبعدين 26 دول he take 19 from it, so it will be 26 minus 19, it will be 7. فلقى انه عنده كمان he has 11 liters left, so x equal 11 minus 7 equal 4, so it will be 4 liters. هو كان عنده اصلا 4. Sahar opened her flower shop in the morning with 92 arrangements available to sell. She sold 15 in the morning, 29 in afternoon, and still had some left at the end of the day. How can you find the number of flower arrangements that were left at the end of day? Okay. We can subtract 15 from 92 and 29 from the rest. So letter A, okay, correct. We can subtract 29, then subtract 15. So letter C is right. Okay, number 10, fill in the blank below with the correct answer choice. Yusra mixes 50 grams of fertilizers with 500 grams of soil. She fills a pot with the mixture and has 130 gram left. هي خلطت 50 جرام من الفرتلايزرز وبعدين 500 جرام of soil وملت البوت، فلقت انه في 130 جرام طلعوا بره البوت دي. Explain how to find how much mixture went into the pot. Okay, first add 50 gram and 500 gram to the soil. It will be 550. Since she had 130 grams left over, I can, yes, subtract the amount she had left over. So it will be we will subtract the amount she had left over from the total amount of mixture. Okay, thank you.